Okay, good evening, everyone. I hope you guys are doing good. So, welcome to the class. If this is your first meeting, then welcome on board. You'll be meeting me again, Miss Libby, in our sharing class every Monday. Wait, I need to mute. Okay, and then before we start the meeting, I think it is important for me to tell you what we are going to do today, or in each of the sharing class meeting. Jadi di setiap sharing class itu kita ngapain aja? Let me tell you first. Jadi kita akan discuss or express your opinion or your experience maybe about a given topic that will be different in each meeting gitu. Jadi saya nanti akan kasih topik yang berbeda-beda di setiap meetingnya. Dan tugasnya teman-teman adalah mempersiapkan jawabannya. Kemudian jika sudah siap dengan jawabannya bisa raise hand untuk menyampaikannya lewat speaking. Gitu ya. Jadi skill yang digunakan di meeting ini adalah speaking dan akan sama di meeting selanjutnya juga. Oke, without wasting any more time, saya mau ingetin juga untuk jika emang teman-teman berniat untuk raise hand, silakan raise hand secepatnya karena biasanya saya cuma punya waktu sekitar 15 hingga 17 participants yang bisa bicara gitu ya. Biasanya seperti itu, tapi saya nggak tahu apakah kelas malam ini akan ramai atau agak sepi. Kalau agak sepi mungkin teman-teman punya lebih banyak kesempatan, tapi saran saya adalah segera saja raise hand ketika teman-teman udah punya bayangan pengen ngomong apa gitu ya. Oke, saya akan drop topiknya dulu. Give me a minute. Oh, thank you. Ada yang kasih tahu ya. Oke. Oke. Audio. Halo, bagaimana? Apakah kedengarkankah sudah suaranya? Wait. Oke. Halo, Ramadhani. Apakah suara saya sudah terdengar? Oh, jaringan saya bermasalah. Teman-teman yang lain bisa dengar suara saya? Terdengar jelas. Thank you, Nazmi. Ternyata jaringannya Ramadhani ya yang oke. Thank you, Nazmi. Anyway, ya. Saya tadi mau ngetik topiknya ya. To learn about. Oke. Itu dia pertanyaannya. Do you prefer to learn about something that you need or something that you want? Why? Why? Provide two until three reasons. Jadi saya mau tahu dari teman-teman, kalian tuh lebih milih belajar tentang sesuatu yang memang kalian sadar bahwa kalian perlu akan hal itu, atau kalian belajar sesuatu karena kalian suka atau kalian mau aja gitu. Meskipun contoh, saya kasih contoh. Saya belajar bahasa Inggris karena saya suka aja gitu. Misalnya pengen bisa bahasa Inggris. Jadi saya belajar bahasa Inggris. Padahal saya sih perlunya bahasa Korea, cuman saya nggak suka. Jadi saya nggak ambil kelas Korea gitu contohnya ya. Nah, and then why gitu? Kenapa sih kalian malah pilih salah satunya? Misalnya kalian lebih prefer untuk belajar sesuatu yang kalian perlukan atau sebaliknya sesuatu yang kalian sukai aja, tapi sebenarnya nggak perlu-perlu amat. Itu kenapa gitu? Reasons-nya saya mau minimal 2 atau maksimum 3. Boleh silahkan dipikirkan atau bisa take notes, bisa catat sedikit jawabannya gitu, bisa di apa ya, di sketch dulu, di outlinein dulu jawabannya. Saya akan kasih waktu 5 sampai 8 menit. Ketika teman-teman sudah ready bisa raise hand. Thank you. Jika ada pertanyaan bisa di chat box. Yang baru join silakan baca chat box. Thank you. Okay, I only get one student who raise their hand. Ini yang lainnya kemana ya? Hanya satu orang yang raise hand. Teman-teman yang baru masuk, yang terlambat masuk, silakan baca chat box. Silakan siapkan jawabannya untuk pertanyaan itu ya. Oke, saya ke Mirna dulu. Sorry. Oke, hello Mirna, time is yours.
Yes, I am. Aduh, sorry agak ruwet.
Never mind. Silakan.
Okay. I want to learn about something I want. Why? Because I get my own kepuasan tersendiri.
Satisfaction.
Satisfaction, and also help my mental health a little. For example, at this time, I'm interested on going abroad, and I do that even though I'm a woman and I have no relative in other cities, but I can overcome my boredom and learn to be more independent. This is.
Okay, so you are currently doing a trip abroad?
Yeah.
Am I right? Okay, so what are the countries that you've ever visited until today?
Now I am in Jakarta from Papua and I'm alone.
Oh, cities. It's not countries,
Yeah.
cities. Oh, okay. And you're all alone. So what do you do? And, you know, it's not the place where you're born. So what do you do in the city?
Maybe I can job in here because I'm so bored in Papua City.
Okay, so you're trying to looking for a job.
Papua, 19 years old and so bored.
Okay, so you're trying to find out a new environment. Mau punya lingkungan baru gitu ya. So you're trying to find a city. Okay.
Yes.
Is that all, Mirna?
Yeah, that's
okay.
It.
Okay, thank you very much, Mirna. Very interesting. So Mirna chose to learn about what she wants. Actually, that's interesting. Any others who wants to try? Yang lainnya, please. Hello, where are you? Kenapa kelas saya malam ini sangat pasif ya? Don't know why. Teman-teman, halo. Buat yang takut bicara, saya mau remind dulu. Teman-teman boleh mix pakai bahasa Indonesia, silahkan. Yang saya nggak mau adalah misalnya nanti Miss bahasa Indonesia ini apa ya? Saya udah bener belum ya gitu. Never mind, karena di sini kita bukan nyari yang benar tapi nyari yang mau nyoba gitu ya gitu. Jadi silakan buat teman yang mau nyoba, nggak akan dijudge karena this is a place to learn. Oke, silakan. Ada yang mau raise hand? Setelah Mirna tadi kasihan banget Mirna sendiri doang gitu kan. Padahal ini saya cari topiknya yang sangat general. I think all of you have the answer. Okay, thank you. Ramadhani, is your time, dear? Hello. Hello. Ramadhani, Kenzie.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, is your time, please?
Because I want to be able to speak English.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Which one do you choose? Do you choose to learn about something that you need or something that you want? Kamu pilih yang mana, Ramadhani?
Yang mana, Miss?
Di pertanyaannya tadi udah baca pertanyaannya belum? Sudah belum? Baca pertanyaan di chat box?
Yes.
Oke, jadi kan pertanyaannya kamu lebih milih belajar tentang sesuatu yang kamu perlukan atau yang kamu suka? Itu dulu saya mau jawabannya. Mana?
Yang saya suka.
Yang kamu suka. Oke, kenapa? Kenapa tuh? Lebih milih belajar yang kamu suka karena?
Because
boleh dicampur Indonesia atau bahasa, silakan Ramadhani.
Because English funny.
Because English is fun. Kalau funny itu lucu loh, kocak.
Yes.
Jadi
Lucu.
menyenangkan ya. English nggak lucu dong.
Yes.
Tapi English
Menyenangkan.
menyenangkan ya. So English is fun, right? Jadi
Yes.
maksudnya si Ramadhani ini konteksnya belajar bahasa Inggris gitu ya contohnya. Dan
Yes.
Ramadhani belajar bahasa Inggris because it's fun, not because you need it gitu ya.
Yes.
Oke, Ramadhani, is this your first meeting?
Nama Miss?
Meeting pertamanya Ramadhani kah?
Yes.
Oh, oke. Panggilannya siapa nih? Dani, Rama, or Kenzie?
Enzi.
Kenzie, okay. Thank you,
Yes.
Kenzie.
Yes.
Thank you
Thank you,
very
Miss.
much for trying. I'm so proud of those who wants to try. Saya bangga banget sama teman yang mau nyoba. Oke, bagus. Ada pengikutnya sudah. Pengikutnya Mirna dan Kenzie. Ada 3 orang. Thank God. Thank you. Oh, ada 2, sorry. Oke, sambil saya manggil Nur Azizah dan Esther, saya very welcome with the rest of you. Silakan teman-teman raise hand. Masih banyak waktu, jangan sampai nanti udah waktunya tinggal dikit baru teman-teman raise hand. Saya bisa jamin you get the chance. Oke, thank you very much. Ada 6 orang, saya happy banget. Silakan Nur Azizah, it's your time.
Okay.
Yep.
I prefer to learn what I need because I have a purpose when learning gitu. Seperti sekarang I'm learning English to develop myself. Selain itu, aku juga sedang belajar bahasa Korea gitu. For melanjutkan S2 insya Allah.
Or to continue my study, you can say that.
Gimana?
You can say to continue my study, so I learned Korean.
Oh, iya.
Okay, and then? Is that
Sudah,
all?
begitu.
Okay, so Nur Azizah, let me conclude. So what you mean is that you choose to learn about something that you need because you always have a purpose whenever you are learning. Gitu ya, Nur ya? Jadi Nur ini selalu punya purpose ketika dia mau belajar, tujuan aku apa nih? Begitu ya, kira-kira apakah benar?
Ya.
Okay, thank you very much, Nur Azizah. Good luck for your master's degree.
Amin.
Okay. Saya senang banget dengar yang lagi mengajar master's degree juga. Saya jadi mengenang diri saya sendiri a year ago. Saya juga lagi cari kampus buat S2, tapi currently I'm doing my thesis. Jadi saya sebentar lagi akan mengakhiri masa itu. Sedih sekali. Okay, thank you. Next, I have Esther. Hello, Esther.
Hello, Miss.
Hi.
Good evening. Hello, Miss Libby and everyone.
Hello.
I want to give my reason about do you prefer to learn about something that you need or that you want? Mine is because I want and I like a new something. And I think nowadays people who can speak English always are need. I think that's all.
Okay, wait.
Thank you, Miss.
So you choose something that you need, benar?
Yes.
Oh, okay, because...
I want. No, I want.
Oh, you want. Jadi English
Yes.
is something that people need. Nah, gimana tuh? I don't get it.
No.
Gimana?
My answer because I want and I like a new something. Karena because
you
I
like
think
something new. Ya.
I want. Dan karena saya pikir di zaman sekarang itu people who can speak English always are need. Karena zaman sekarang tuh orang tuh banyak yang butuh bahasa Inggris di beberapa pekerjaan.
Okay, I got it. So means that many workplace requires English. Gitu ya, banyak tempat kerja yang mewajibkan atau meminta English proficiency as one of the requirements. Okay, thank you very much, Esther. Jadi saya punya 2 orang yang ngomong tentang wants, baru yang sisanya adalah tentang needs tadi ya. Kita find more answers. Thank you, Esther.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, next I have Alia. Alia, time is yours.
Good evening, Miss and everyone. I prefer to learn something that I want, but sometimes I learn something that I need.
Okay.
Because cita-cita aku tuh perlu buat bahasa Inggris, tapi aku juga suka belajar.
Okay.
Karena sekarang juga kan banyak yang harus pakai bahasa Inggris ya.
Okay.
Nah, juga suka gimana gitu. Kadang kalau lagi main game aja kan sekarang suka banyakin bahasa Inggris.
Benar.
Ya deh.
Okay, so means that actually, tapi tadi contohnya bahasa Inggris ya. For example, that you are learning English because at the same time you need it, and at the same time you also like or enjoy to learn about it, gitu ya.
Yes.
Jadi you like it, and at the same time you need it, and vice versa. Enak kayak gitu ya. Sesuatu yang kita perlu, sesuatu yang kita suka gitu. It's kind of hard to be in that way, I think. Okay, is that all, Alia?
Nggak ada sih, Miss.
Okay, thank you very much, Alia.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, itu adalah salah satu, I think, one of the things that we need to be grateful for. Kita punya something that we need, tapi kita juga suka. Itu sama kayak having a hobby as your job. Wah gila, itu jackpot banget. And I think I get it because one of my hobbies is to meeting new people and to interact. I don't know whether this is a hobby or a passion, tapi saya sampai nggak bisa express ya. Saya emang sesuka itu gitu untuk ngobrol sama orang baru yang saya nggak kenal. Tapi saya bisa ngobrol sama dia seolah kita udah kenal lama. I really like that, and that's why I feel like I found my world in being a teacher. So yeah. Jadi curhat ya, nggak ada yang peduli juga ya. I'm kidding. Okay, next I have siapa duluan? Ardi. Wah, ini satu-satunya cowok ya. Tadi belum ada cowok. Halo, Ardi. Okay. Hello. Hello, I can't hear you. I don't think your microphone is connected. Ardi, kayaknya mikrofon kamu belum connect ya? Okay, now it's connected. Coba. Tes dulu. Di-unmute dulu, Ardi. Yang lainnya bisa dengar nggak ya? Soalnya saya nggak bisa dengar nih. Guys, yang lain apa nggak bisa dengar suaranya Ardi? No? Okay, thank you, Esther. Nggak kedengaran nih, Mas Ardi. Kak Ardi. Kenapa ya? Soalnya your microphone is not moving. Skip me, miss. Oh, Ardi, maybe you just can unplug your earphone. Nanti sambil dicoba-coba ya, sambil saya panggil teman-teman yang lain. Saya nggak turunin tangannya Ardi biar raise hand terus. Saya mau kasih kesempatan lagi. Silakan dicoba terus ya, Ardi. Oke, silakan. Nggak apa-apa. Saya bolehin dia unmute sendiri. Oke, next I have Nuha.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, hi. Is your time, please?
Okay. My answer is I prefer to learn something that I need. The reason are first, because something that I need more effort in learning it.
Okay. Is that all?
No, Miss.
Okay, go on.
The second reason is because the thing that I need can add my skills that I currently have now. I think that's all for me. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you. So you prefer to learn about something that you need because it can add up your skills, your current skills, you said, and it also needs a lot more efforts tadi ya. Kalau something that we need to requires a lot of effort. This is actually interesting karena saya belum dengar reason ini dari teman-teman yang lain. Tapi saya pikir iya juga ya. Kayaknya kalau something that we want itu, we don't really think that it's necessary kan. Kita nggak mikir bahwa it's obligatory, nggak mikir bahwa itu tuh gue harus banget kudu pinter nih ngerjain ini gitu misalnya ya. Karena kan itu cuma sesuatu yang kita suka, tapi beda sama kalau kita emang need requiring something, especially kita bakal, we have the goal and we have to reach that. Pasti kita punya effort yang lebih. Bener banget juga ya, Nuha ya. So yeah, I think thank you very much, Nuha. That's very interesting. Oke, teman-teman yang mungkin punya saran buat Ardi, saya persilakan ya, because kasihan Ardinya mau bicara. But he has something with his microphone. Okay, Icha Nur Oktavianisa. Halo. Icha belum di-unmute. Icha? Okay.
Oh yeah, hello.
Oh yeah,
Hear
okay.
my sound.
Now I can hear you.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Yeah, this is my answer. I prefer to learn what I want because I feel like I'm on my own path, learning without being forced. And also, I want to keep exploring about what I want, about what I like.
Okay, and then? Do you want to continue?
Oh, is that my sound? No.
I like to learn what I want because I feel.
Okay, okay.
Can I repeat it?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I prefer to learn what I want because I feel like I'm on my own path, learning without being forced. And also, I want to keep going to exploring something what I like.
Okay. I got it. Thank you, Icha. So you said that you prefer to learn about something that you want because you want to learn without feeling being forced, tanpa merasa dipaksa atau tertekan gitu ya. So you prefer to learn about something that you want. Okay. Do you want to add something more or that is all, Icha? Ada lagi yang mau ditambahkan? I think that's all, yeah. Okay. Well, thank you, Icha. Next, I go to Lila. Lila.
Yeah, hello,
okay,
Miss.
Hello.
My answer is maybe in this time I have to consider to choose something that I need or something that I want. If I choose to something that I need, I can fully focus, enjoy to something that I want, and I cannot get boring or to something that bored. Yeah, to get bored to something that I want. And if this time mempertimbangkan untuk to consider choose what I need. Is it important now, or I have time to learn something that I want first?
Okay, so the point is that you want to learn about something that you want first, but if you have something that you need, then you will prioritize that. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Thank you, Lila. So this is a very unique answer. Jadi dari si Lila, jawaban yang sangat unik dan comprehensive, I think. Dia bilang bahwa she prefer to adjust the needs of learning something. Jadi dia bilang kalau I don't really urgently need something. Maksudnya nggak urgently needing something means that dia nggak mau cepet. Dia nggak punya sesuatu keperluan yang urgent gitu. Misalnya, aduh seminggu lagi, nggak mungkin seminggu sih. Misalnya, setahun lagi aku harus bisa bahasa Korea misalnya. doesn't mean that berarti dia bisa prioritize learning that something that she wants. Tapi kalau misalnya ada something that she needs, dia akan memprioritaskan si needs-nya itu ya, ketimbang si wants-nya. Oke, that's clear enough. Thank you, Lila. Gimana Ardi? Sudahkah baik si mikrofonnya? Tadi saya lihat agak bergerak sih logo mikrofon kamu. Nanti kalau misalnya udah bisa, boleh bilang tes-tes gitu, nggak apa-apa. Oke. Next, I have Susan. Susan? Susan masih di mute. Unmute dulu, Susan. Maybe she's preparing something.
Hello?
Okay, I can hear you now.
Okay. Okay, Miss. I prefer to learn something that I need and I want. It's like because it's like I want to learn. Example that I want to learn English when I was in high school, but actually in that time I didn't need it I didn't need it to that tidak mendesak gitu loh, membutuhkannya. What is that?
I didn't urgently need it.
I didn't urgently need it, but past few years ago, I need to learn something. I need to learn English because I need it as something that we can communicate with a lot of people, and I realized that. Like now, it's like for other example, it's like now I want to learn Mandarin because I want it, but actually I don't need it urgently right now. And why I want to learn Mandarin? Because there is a lot of company from China in Indonesia that grow faster. And maybe it is a good opportunities for me if I learn Mandarin earlier than others. But I also love to learn something that I want. But actually, I don't need it in my related job right now. Like, I want to learn drawing since I was in elementary school, but I still learn it from now. Learn it until now. Even I have an on-off learn drawing because you know that I'm busier now than when I was in school. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Susan. Very comprehensive and interesting. So the point is that there was a time whenever you don't really need something, but it ended up that few years ago you are actually needing it. Jadi kayak ada sometimes hal yang dulunya kita nggak perlu ya, terus tiba-tiba perlu. Jadi you anticipate that by doing, for example, by learning Mandarin because you see the current growth, kamu melihat perkembangan ada sekarang dan ternyata sepertinya Mandarin will be urgently needed later, like 2 or 3 years later. I think I believe that too, karena Mandarin lagi naik-naiknya. Tarif translate pun tinggi banget Mandarin dan bahasa Inggris jauh di bawah. Makanya saya selalu motivate teman-teman untuk take English as your basic competence. So English is not actually a special competence, I can say, in my opinion. Karena kayak sekarang gimana ya, itu udah a part of our life. When we are working, when we are communicate with people, atau mungkin kita sama teman, itu udah nggak sengaja we mix it with English usually. Nggak full bahasa itu, dan I think that's what make us even getting closer with English. Itu yang bikin kita tuh sebenarnya jauh lebih dekat lagi sama English. Okay, anyway, ini saya masih punya Oppo A5. I don't know what's your name. Nazumi, Farahdina, and Ria Janita. Tapi saya tadi sudah informasikan ini Zoom kita ternyata belum terupdate ya premiumnya. Jadi I think kelasnya akan berakhir di 1 menit lagi. Teman-teman tolong perhatikan saya. Kelasnya akan berakhir 1 menit lagi. Jadi saya akan leave meeting. Kemudian saya akan share link yang baru di grup teman-teman tadi. Paham ya? Jadi teman-teman habis saya end meetingnya, langsung buka grup yang tadi lagi, pantengin link terbaru dari saya. Gitu ya? Paham ya? Oke. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience everyone. Saya akan end dulu dan kita akan ketemu di room sebelah. Thank you.